No, you're scared. You're scared, huh? That's okay. That's okay. Hey, this is Thailand Tom. Sawadee krap. So apparently we have a big storm coming in anytime, any day now. So there is a little worry about the trees. So we have to cut some of the trees now so they don't fall on the house. So we have the gardeners here cutting some of the trees. It's gonna be interesting. Hey Tipsy. And yeah, it doesn't look safe. I'll show you. Yeah, stay there. So they are up there barefoot with the chainsaw. Like this. So they're tying a rope around the branch that they will pull down so they can get it where they want, I guess. They cut it with the chainsaw, standing like this. Oh, I wouldn't stand on that, for sure. Oh, look at that. Yeah, maybe the weight take it down like that. Let's see now. Nope. Because it's resting here too. There we go. Yeah. That didn't feel too safe. Oh no, he's going up for more. Oh my goodness. This can break right through the roof if they're unlucky. Or if we are unlucky. Two people up in the tree. There they are. 1, 2. And Bat is here. Yeah, Bat, come with me. What are they doing, Bat? Huh? They take down the tree you climb in? I think there will still be a part left you can climb in. And Supansa is putting some new soil in her plant. That seems, I don't know, cutting against your own stomach. Well, I guess they did this before, so hope it's not their first time. No, you're scared. You're scared, huh? That's okay. That's okay. Ants. So now they're picking up all the ants' egg and eat that. Honey, are you saying Kai Mot, mate? Kai Mot? Kai Mot Dang. Yeah. The red ant egg, and that's they like that. Look at this. That's a bunch of hard work in 44 degrees Celsius heat. I'm sweaty like a pig and just standing here for these guys. Hey, but they get paid.
What's wrong with
Hey, baby.
Huh? What's wrong with you? You come to me?
All 7 in one place.
Honey? You come to me.
You smell the food. You want the pork? No, but
If you love them, you cannot eat.
no, but he won't. I say that's why he come to you.
อันนี้ผู้ใดกับฉันนี่
Hey guys, you all seen this outside McDonald's everywhere, right? But in Thailand, they have another one that is very special for Thailand. It's wide, like this, the traditional Thai greeting. That's cool.